The health benefits of avocado leaves and how to use them. Avocados are one of nature's healthiest sources of fat in the world and are classed as a superfood. However, many people do not realize that avocado leaves also have some fantastic health benefits for the human body and can be safely eaten. In today's video, we will highlight 20 facts and benefits of avocado leaves and explain how to use them easily at home. 1. Anti-cancer. Avocado leaves contain pinene and limonene, two natural chemicals which have been shown to fight off cancerous tumours. These phenols help to fight off cancer cells and also have chemoprotective properties. 2. Fights diabetes. Many people are aware that avocado fruit is amazing for helping to control blood sugar levels. The leaves can also be brewed in hot water for 10 minutes to make a herbal tea. Drinking this helps to control blood sugar levels and reducing the harmful effects of diabetes. 3. Skin health. These leaves also contain antioxidant properties which can be used to cleanse the skin and pores. Simply mash fresh avocado leaves to a paste and apply to the skin for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water. This paste helps to reduce redness, swelling, acne and irritated skin. 4. Reduce swelling. Consuming fresh avocado leaves in a salad, stir fry or as a tea is also helpful to reduce puffiness and swelling. The leaves are rich in quercetin, a plant chemical which helps to get rid of water retention, such as swollen legs or feet. 5. Aches and pains. By helping to fight off inflammation, avocado leaves are amazing for reducing everyday aches and pains, such as muscle soreness, back pain, toothache, headaches and joint pain. 6. Degenerative diseases. The flavonols and minerals found in avocado leaves help to protect against degenerative diseases such as osteoarthritis, Alzheimer's disease and multiple sclerosis. In addition, the leaves also help to fight free radicals to prevent premature aging of the body. 7. Protein source. 100 grams of avocado leaves contains an enormous 25 grams of protein. This is much higher than the avocado fruit itself, making this a fantastic food source. Plant proteins from these leaves helps your body to repair tissues, create enzymes and important hormones. These are building blocks for your bones, joints, muscles and skin. 8. Gallbladder health. Limonene, a chemical found in avocado leaves, helps to dissolve cholesterol containing gallstones. This helps to protect the gallbladder from stones and helps your body to break down fats for energy. 9. Supports digestion. Limonene, potassium and other nutrients in these leaves are also amazing for relieving heartburn, acid reflux, GERD and indigestion. Drinking avocado leaf tea helps to regenerate the friendly bacteria in your digestive tract and also heal stomach ulcers naturally. 10. Weight loss. Another amazing benefit from these leaves is that they help to reduce the appetite and make you feel full without causing nausea. This is very helpful when you are following a diet plan such as keto and are trying to lose weight. 11. Asthma. If you suffer with asthma, simply boil 7 avocado leaves with 3 cups of water. When the water has reduced by half, drink this before sleep. The pinene compound in the leaves helps to open the airways, promote easier breathing and oxygenation of the blood. This reduces the risk of asthma attacks by improving lung function. 12. Tonsil stones. You can also use cooled avocado leaf tea as a natural mouth gargle. It has an antibacterial effect which helps to kill off harmful microbes in the throat and remove and heal tonsil stones. This mouth gargle is also effective against oral thrush. 13. Relieves anxiety. Many people also drink avocado leaf tea as a remedy for anxiety and stress. It helps to increase the activity of GABA neurotransmitters in the brain, which helps to calm you down and make you feel more relaxed. It also promotes healthy cognitive function. 14. Seizures. African traditional medicine uses avocado leaves to treat epilepsy in children where modern medication is not available. By boosting neurotransmission, the leaves can help to reduce seizures in a completely natural way. 15. How to use. The healthiest avocado leaves to consume come from the Mexican avocado tree called drymifolia. These are often used in Mexican cooking as a garnish with salsa, dips or over quesadillas. You can also steep them in hot water to make avocado leaf tea, stir-fry them or eat them in salads. They can be dried and made into tea bags for ease of use. 16. Appearance. The leaves have galls on the undersides which do not look very appetizing, yet are very good for you and can be safely eaten, so don't let these put you off. 17. Origins. Avocados were originally grown in Mexico and Colombia around 7,000 years ago and were a staple for the Aztecs and Incas. These are now grown all around the world in warm climates and are considered one of the healthiest superfoods on the planet. 18. Other avocado uses. We highly recommend using avocado fruit pulp to make tasty guacamole, especially when following a healthy eating plan such as keto. You can also use avocado oil to replace unhealthy vegetable oils and works well with stir-fries and baking. Avocado seeds can also be dried and ground into a superfood powder rich in minerals for smoothies. 19. Hair rinse. The leaves also contain some pigment which is good for maintaining darker hair. It helps to treat dry and brittle hair that lacks shine and moisture. Mash the leaves into a paste and apply as a hair mask by massaging into the scalp. Let this sit for 10 minutes and then rinsed to help nourish the hair strands. 20. Side effects. Scientists note that certain types of avocado leaves contain toxic chemicals and should not be ingested, such as from the Guatemalan avocado plant. Always use only the Mexican variety called drymifolia, as these are non-toxic. Always consult your healthcare professional before using herbal medicine. As you can see, avocado leaves have some fantastic health benefits for the human body, which you may not have been aware of. In our other video, we discussed how to eat the large seed found inside the avocado fruit and its medicinal properties. To learn more about healthy foods and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.